This is a tutorial for Alison Russell's baby blanket that she done a little while ago, and I like the lacy pattern, so I thought I'd have a go doing a cardigan for myself in that pattern. So for my subscribers who didn't see that the video that Alison put up, this is how it went. It's in multiples of 6. I'm doing a small sample, and then I'll go on to do the larger bit that I'm actually doing in my cardigan. So I'll want 18 chain. It's in multiples of 6. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and that one. How many was that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. I've done a chain of 20 stitches, and I'm going to do a double into the second stitch from the hook. I'm going to do a double crochet. In English terms, it's single crochet in American terms, and I'm going to do 2 chain, and then I'm going to skip 2 chain and go into the third one. Now yarn over the hook first, skip those 2 chain and into the third one. And that's a triple crochet, double crochet in the States, 2 chain, this 2 chain, double crochet, 2 chain, this 2, skip 2 chain, go into the third one, and it's a triple crochet, chain 2, skip the next 2 chain and go into the third, chain 2, skip the next 2, skip the next 2, go into the third one, and it's a triple, chain 2, you skip 2 chain and into the last chain you do a double crochet, and that's the starting row of the pattern. And at the end of that row you do 3 chain. To pull some wool out, it's getting a bit tight here. Then you turn, and into that first space that you've done the chain from, you do another 2 triple crochet, and then it's yarn over hook, and you go into the top of where this triple crochet was, not the space, you go into the top, and you do 1 triple crochet into there, and it's yarn over the hook, and you go into the single where you did the double crochet, sorry. You go into the top of that stitch, and into that stitch you do 5 triple crochet. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and into the next triple crochet into the top of that stitch you do a single triple crochet, and then into the next double crochet you do another 5, and the next triple crochet you do 1 more triple crochet over that stitch, and then you're looking for the third, that's 1, 2, 3, the third chain from the turning chain there. Then you do 3 triple crochet into that stitch, and that's the second row with the fan row, and at the end of that row you do 1 chain and turn into that space where the chain is. You do a double crochet, 2 chain, yarn over the hook, and you go into the top of the single triple crochet. You go into the top of that stitch and you do 1 triple crochet, then you do 2 chain, and then you go into the center stitch of the fan. There's 5 triple crochet, so you find the center stitch and you do 1 double crochet into that stitch, then it's 2 chain, yarn over the hook, the top of the triple crochet, two chain, and again the 5 fan stitches. You go into the center stitch, do a double crochet, 2 chain, yarn over the hook, and you go into that the top of that triple crochet, single triple crochet, 2 chain, and then you find the third, 1, 2, the 3, the third chain, and do a 1 double crochet, and then after that, for the start of the next row, it's 3 chain, and that is the stitches, the chain row, the starting row, the fan row, and then that same row where you started. And that's how you do that stitch on Alison's baby blanket. And I hope I crochet very different to other people, as anybody watching this has probably noticed. So I hope that they could see everything okay that I was doing, because that's the only way I can crochet. I can't do it the way everybody else does. It doesn't come natural to me. You can see that first row is the same as the first row that I started with down here. And you've got your chain 3 and you yarn over the hook, and this row all the way across is all triple crochet. You do 3 including the other 3 chains, so you do 2 more triple crochet into that first space there. And where you have a triple crochet, you do a single triple crochet over that, and where you have a double crochet, you do 5 triple crochet into that stitch, and so 1 triple crochet, 5 triple crochet, 1 triple crochet, 5 triple crochet all the way across. So I'll do that now. One, 2, 3, 4, 5. Go on to the next single one. And all these stitches are done into the top of the stitches, not into the spaces. And to finish the row off, you go into the third chain. I can get into it, that's it. And you do 3 triple crochet into that chain. And then I'll chain one, ready for the next row. And it's a very simple and easy and quick pattern to do. So for anybody that hasn't seen Alison Russell's video on the baby blanket she was doing, this was how you do this pattern. So I hope you like my video, would like to see more. So thumbs up and subscribe.